So yeah, you guys already almost finished for reading Koreans actually. So maybe after today's session, probably if you keep practice, you will able to read whatever Korean sentence, words, syllables you see, you can able to read it. Ah, okay. So the nowadays we've been learning about the 받침s, which is from the syllable, the consonant from the bottom of the syllable. Yeah, those consonants were used. Yeah, specifically the blue color is the one we know how to read already. We already knew how to read because that's what I studied. But this one, red color, 1, 2, 3, 4, those are the left. We're just gonna finish those today, but this like a bright pink color, yeah, those things have a specific rules and not really required to memorize because only have several words for using that. Look at this. For this 받침, only 3 words. Or for this 받침, just the 1 or 2. Yeah, 1 or yeah, just 1 actually. Yeah, not any. You can make it out of the advanced actually, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so let's practice a little bit actually. So yeah, remember every time when you're having class, try to yeah, turn on this page actually, so you can get a advice from this information. Yeah, let's practice actually. So those were the what I gave you the homework last class. And thank you so much, Ruth. She submitted her homework, but Christina, I'm still waiting your sentence, but don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah.
Was the homework like to say those 3 sentences?
Just a reading and send me.
Oh, I already submitted
you already
that.
sent it. Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot. She submitted very only time, so that is why I forgot. Sorry. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for like a yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. How about we're gonna practice again? By the way, yeah, because it is yeah useful. And this time I'm gonna explain the meaning of that. By the way. Okay. So, it doesn't matter which one was which one was whose homework. It doesn't matter because of both of you're going to read all of the sentence. Ooh, yeah, 6 sentences. That's a lot. I know, but don't worry, step by step. Okay. So start up from Christina. Okay, Christina, can you read the first sentence, please?
Okay. 런던의 한국 신당
One more time. 식당.
식당.
Uh-huh.
Is it 분식?
분식. Perfect.
분식이. 유명해요.
Perfect. Well done. Perfect pronunciation. Good job. Exactly. About the meaning of a sentence, we're going to get to know later altogether. Okay. And second sentence, Ruth, please.
Russo.
루스는.
Oh yeah, 루스는. 오마. 오무.
It's a E sounds verb. E sounds vowel. Sorry, E sounds vowel. So E me.
이미.
이미.
가.
Perfect.
And then it's.
What about this?
But. I'm gonna say wrong. Bu, bu, buas,
What? Perfect. What?
buas,
Mhm.
bua, bua, o, ello. Ello?
Perfect. Good job. Good job. Perfect pronunciation. Pots oil. Exactly. Pots oil. Yeah, that was a bit challenging, eh? Yeah, but you did it well. Good job. Good job. Okay, perfect. And the next one, Christina, please. Oh, unlock the mute, please. Yeah.
You couldn't hear me the whole time.
Yeah.
Okay. 루스는 크리스티나랑 다시 no, I don't know. 갈
Perfect.
I mean yeah, 갈 거예요.
Exactly. Well done. 갈 거예요. Good job. Good job. Very good. Very good. Okay. Before continue, let's get to know meaning. Okay. Yeah. We run out of time, so I'm not going to writing down, but don't worry, we're recording the video so you can get the meaning of the word immediately from the video. Yeah, okay, so start with this one. London. London, where are you living, guys? London. Is a particle for preposition. Any kind of a preposition can be, because in Korea, we have a two particle for explaining preposition of the location. For example, at, in, from, those kind of a location preposition we can prefer, we can show as a two syllables in Korean, actually, two grammar, sorry, and another one is called the eso, by the way, eso, yeah, this one. But we're going to deal with this grammar soon, but not today. Yeah, anyway. So this a is a particle that presenting English preposition probably from. So like this way, from London. We can translate that way, from London. 한국 식당. 한국 means Korea. 식당 is a restaurant. Yeah. So in like from London or in London, Korea restaurant, and continue, 분식. Oh, this is what I've been talking last class, remember? The 분식, the famous Korean snack restaurant in the London. Yeah, yeah. 분식 eat. This is a particle, just particle. Yeah, we're going to learn about the particle soon as well. Yeah, and to continue. 유명해요. 유명하다, not the 해요, 하다. That's the infinitive form of the adjective. 유명하다 means to be famous, to be famous. But the 해요 is just a terminology that presenting is a speaking. Yeah. Also, we briefly learn about the terminology things, you know, from writing and from speaking for polite, casual. Yeah. Yeah. So for finishing like this, 해요 is a presenting, this sentence is a speaking sentence. Yeah. So translation will be like this. In London or from London, Korea restaurant 분식 is a famous. Yeah. The be verb in English we normally presenting from the particles actually. Yeah. So like a 분식 is famous like that. Continue. 루스는 lose. Talk about the root. 이미 means already. 이미. And the 가봤어요 is from the verb 가보다, by the way. 가보다, which means try to go, meaning for try to go. Yeah. But this 받침 from here is presenting different tense. We're going to learn about that as well. Yeah. So it's a presenting past simple actually. So which means, yeah, tried to go, or simply try to went. Yeah, you can put that way. Doesn't matter. Both are okay. Yeah. And this part is a presenting speaking terminology as well. Yeah. So translation of the full sentence will be like this. Ruth already tried to go there. Tried to go. Yeah. About the 분식. And so far so good. Any question? Very good. Yeah. And the third sentence, loose는, loose, and with a particle. So loose. 크리스티나랑, 랑 is a grammar that's with, presenting with. So with Christina. So loose with a Christina, and 다시 means again, yeah, again. 갈 거예요. So from the verb 가다, 가다 means to go. But this 받침 is also presenting for future simple, different tense. Yeah. So you can translate as like a will go. And this part, obviously, for terminology. So Luz with the Christina will go again. Where? 분식 restaurant. In natural way to say, Luz will go again 분식 with a Christina, like that. Okay, yeah. And the next sentence, yeah. Okay, Christina, can you continue next sentence, please? This one.
Okay. Mimi i moga rondone or go ayo.
Very good. One more time. 올 거예요.
올 거예요. But if that is part of like that other word, then why aren't they together?
Oh, which parts are together? Sorry, which part?
The last two.
Last two.
Like, yeah.
This one. This one.
Yeah, like both of those.
Ah, very good. Can you see something similarity? This one and this one. Again, this one.
Oh yeah.
The last three.
They both have like a little thing before it.
So yeah, the reason why it's similar because of using same grammar format that presenting future simple tense, actually. Future simple tense, yeah. So this is just because of the grammatic rule. Yeah, it has to be finished with a 거예요 for speaking sentence, but the future simple with 받침s from those two syllables. Yeah. Yeah. If I say like a little bit detail about this, actually, it's like this. This part, 갈 거예요, as I said, is from the verb 가다. I'm sorry, yeah, like this. 가다. 가다 meaning is to go, yeah. And plus this consonant with a 거예요. And this part actually, 올 거예요. So from the verb 오다, which means to come. And plus, same formula, 거예요, like this. So I just wrote the consonant here, right? This consonant, it goes to this syllable. So which is, it changes a 갈, like that. Yeah. Same thing for here, actually. Give me a second. Let me go a little bit down. Yeah, here, yeah. You're going to put this consonant to this syllable, which is a or. Change it like this way. How do we know where this consonant goes, which syllable? How do we know? That is why I mentioned you must remember Korean adjective or verb always gonna finish with a syllable da. Yeah. So when you're trying to use those verbs or even the adjective to the grammar, whatever grammar it is, the thing you need to consider the changing the syllable is syllable before da. Let me explain one more time. Yeah. Whenever you trying to use a grammar to the verbs or adjective, the format that changing you need to consider is syllable before da, which is a syllable before da from the 가다 is a ga, right? And syllable da before da is a o from the oda. Yeah. So those are the syllables you need to consider when you're trying to use the grammar to those verbs, or it can be adjective. Let me give you several more examples actually. Yeah. Like this one, sorry. Yeah, this one, or maybe those things. Yeah. Whatever those are, we already know those can be a verb or adjective because of finish with a that, right? And I want to using like a future simple tense to those verbs or adjective. Then what you need to concern is a syllable before that, which is this and this and this. Those syllable is the one gonna change the format, which is for example here, 가다, 가, mixed with this grammar rule, become a 갈. And from the O, you're gonna using this consonant to that syllable, what you need to concern, and change it to or, like that. This was just one of rule because every single grammar have two rules actually. This was one of the rule. Yeah, one of the rule. Yeah. So for example, this one, we'll change it like this way. You're not gonna touch anything for this syllable. The reason why, only syllable we need to concern is a syllable before that, which is this. Yeah. So 다, 니, I'm sorry. Yeah, 다, 니, and the ni plus this one. So it will become a 닐. Yeah. And continue with a 거예요. 거예요. Automatically, you're gonna remove the da because we are finished with the yo, which is a presenting speaking terminology. Yeah. So not gonna finish with the da. Yeah. So every single the verbs or adjective. Yeah. You're gonna remove the da. Yeah. So this one will be 공부. You're gonna leave it. You're gonna not change anything for those syllables because the only thing you need to concern is this one. Reason why? Syllable before da, which is this one. Yeah. So 공부 하, this one 하 plus this become a 할, and after just repeating. Yeah. 거예요. Like that. Yeah. And this one will be simply 타 plus this, because this is syllable is the one before the syllable da, right? So 할 거예요, like that. Yeah. Those are the like a grammatic rule actually, but as I mentioned, you're going to have two different rules most of the time, or every Korean grammar, right? Yeah. Those were the easy one because syllable before that, which is this, and this, and this, and this. As you can see, each one of them doesn't have a 받침. That is why you put this as a 받침 and changing the form like this, you know. 갈 거예요, like that. I'm sorry. Yeah, 갈 거예요 or 거예요, like that. Like that. What if the verb or the adjective syllable before that already have a 받침? For example, like this one, 먹다, or 걷다, like this. 먹다. Whatever meaning it is, anyway, we know this is a verb or adjective because it finished with a da. Yeah, but already have a 받침 in that case. Yeah, what should we do? Yeah, because so far something that syllable doesn't have a 받침, we just put this consonant as a 받침, right? But when have a 받침, you are going to use this one. 을 거예요, like that. Instead of using this consonant, you're going to put the 을. So it became like this. 먹을 거예요. I'm sorry. Yeah. 먹을 거예요. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Simply, you're just gonna put the 을 this time. So this one will be 걷을 거예요. Like that. Yeah. You're just gonna put the 을. So that is why it is really important recognize syllable have a 받침 or doesn't have a 받침. So when you're trying to use those verb or adjective, yeah, you're gonna concern have a 받침, doesn't have a 받침. You're gonna decide which rule you're gonna use it. this rule, or let me write down here again. Yeah. Let me writing down another section here. Yeah, sorry. Verb or adjective plus this consonant with a 거예요 or 을 거예요. Meaning will be will, verb or adjective. Yeah. You just learn future simple tense for speaking terminology. Actually, yeah, this is the grammar. Yeah, this is how it works. Most of the grammar will works like this. Yeah. Yeah. Any questions so far, by the way?
No, you
I hope
explained
this
it.
is the enough answer for the Christina, by the way. Yeah, about the why, the have a different spacing here, and the why is a different. Yeah, okay. Oh, sorry.
I mean, I have a small question.
Yes, yes.
You know, is it like the verb bapul to like have a meal? So could you say bapta, or is that not a thing?
Okay, so what you hear is a pop, this one, pop을, right? So this is the one you hear. And what you just said is changing this to, again, pop다, like this. Very good question. So first of all, the pop is a noun, and the 을 is a particle, which is we're going to learn soon, particle, yeah. And changing to this, which is a finish with a da, noun change to the verb. In English word formation, it is possible with using some different spellings actually for the prefix or suffix, you know. Yeah, but in Korean, this is not normally happen. Simply with a da, with a noun to the verb, not really. But simply verb to the noun, like putting the ing, well, it is possible actually. Yeah. So what you're saying, this pop을 is just a noun with a particle. It's just a part of the sentence. So you cannot change anything with this, but you can use this in the part of the sentence actually. So far so good. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah, but don't worry, you don't have to remember what I just explained it actually, because we are going to learn those grammar again. Just for now on, I just want you to focus on how to read. We need to be more fluent. After that, I will explain step by step, but it was a really good question. Thank you, Christina. Yeah. Whenever you have a doubt about the question like this from the Korean drama or TV show or Instagram, whatever, yeah, bring it to me. I will explain to you. What are those? Yeah. Yeah, very good. So let me repeat it one more time. So far what you learned, the important part was how to read, obviously, how to read the Koreans. Yeah. And specifically, we just saw some speaking terminologies with the tenses. Yeah. As you can see, everything finished with a yo, as you can see. Yo. Or consider that whatever sentence finished with a yo is a presenting speaking. Yeah. But the different forms, different forms. This is a present simple, past simple, future simple, like that. Depends on the tense. You need to adapt to different rules and changing the syllables. What, for example, what we saw here, like those. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the after class, I wanted to repeat this video again, specifically when I explained about the future simple grammar explanation. Yeah, then you will understand more. Like, yeah. But as I mentioned, it's not really mandatory to remember right now because we're gonna go through it again. Okay. Yeah, this session gonna finish in a few minutes. I wanted to